What happens if it rains during my roof installation? This is one of the most common and completely understandable questions homeowners ask before replacing their roof. Your roof protects your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind. So the idea of rain during installation can feel stressful. Here's the good news. Rain during a roof installation is normal, and professional roofing companies plan for it every single day. Roofing projects are scheduled around the weather, not against it. Especially in South Texas, experienced roofers assume real conditions and prepare accordingly. A common misconception is that roofers remove everything at once and leave your home exposed. That's not how professional installations work. Roof removal happens in controlled phases. Waterproof underlayment is installed the same day, and no reputable contractor leaves your home exposed overnight. If rain starts during installation, work stops immediately for safety. Then the roof is secured using waterproof synthetic underlayment, heavy-duty tarps, and storm-safe fasteners. If there's any risk to the interior, crews protect attic access points, ceilings, and vulnerable areas. Your home remains protected even during sudden weather changes. Modern roofing materials are designed to handle brief, controlled moisture. Problems only happen when contractors are unprepared or cut corners. Rain may cause short delays, and that's actually a good sign. Pausing work protects installation quality and long-term performance. Rushing to beat the rain is what causes problems. That's why experience matters. Established roofing companies have weather protocols, trained crews, proper materials on every job, and project managers making real-time decisions. Before installation, homeowners should always ask, what's your rain protocol? Will my roof be dried in the same day? Who supervises weather decisions? A professional roofer will answer confidently. At XYZ Roofing and Restorations, your home is never left unprotected. We monitor weather daily, follow same-day dry-in standards, use waterproof systems, and communicate clearly every step of the way. Rain is normal. Poor preparation is not. The real question isn't what if it rains? It's, is my contractor prepared if it does? Choose experience. Choose preparation. Protect what matters.